ringnya.
Halo. Itu tadi kan kita habis makan ya. Ini di channelnya Jasana. Habis makan review Telaga Sawangan. Telaga Sawangan. Saung Talaga di Sawangan, Depok, Indonesia. Again with me Jasana. Review about food place, Indonesian food, something kind of. Sekarang kita lagi di Saung Talaga Sawangan. Right now we are in Saung Talaga Sawangan, Depok. This is the view, one of the view. Tadi sudah before we already report about the food. Right now we have to review about the places. Look at this.
Oh, jam 4 mulai.
Yes, it's my
Ikannya bawa lele juga.
Alexandria Gopes.
Lele. Oh, galatama itu.
Yeah, this is the view. My hobby. Okay.
Itu rumahnya, Sa. Bagus ya, Sa.
We are try to
Kosong ini, Pak.
we are try to what do I want to say that I'm speechless when in front of camera. Become a new vlogger. It's something
Oh, ke belakang sana
new
ya.
for me, so little bit
Talaga.
nervous. Quite good. There is a swimming pool over there. There is a pool for fishing
Handphone bawa.
over here. Look at that. And the fish here is there is a bawal. Lot of
Lele.
type. Bawal, catfish, and the gurame. Indonesia say gurame. I don't know in English. Okay, viewers, I think this is the review. We've just have a lunch there. We call saung in Indonesia the places like that when people sit in the floor, at the floor, and then you can chat each other. Kind of so lovely places. Depok, Sawangan, Indonesia. So you have a lot of alternative places when you go to Indonesia, and the food is so wonderful and tasty. Feel Indonesia.
Ini lari ke sungai apa kemana ya?
You can
Lari ke sungai apa kemana ya? Airnya.
yes, you
Oh,
can
air.
you can feel the gurame,
Oh, itu.
goldfish, catfish. Just come to Indonesia and feel the food. Okay, bye.
Waduh, dapat
See you soon in other review. Thank you. Bye.